Ito po yung DT Dumaguete. Ang machine dito ay ginagamit ng 6 na araw na may total na 240 meters. Ito po yung printer head. Ito naman yung copy. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. At nozzle check. Ito naman po yung ink tank system. Yung ink po natin is sakto lang. Ito naman yung EVR. Waste tank area. Last disposal po kanina. Ito naman yung ground wire. Ito naman po yung daily output record. Na may total na 240 meters. Ito naman yung consumable monitoring ng cyan. Magenta, yellow, black, DTF powder, white ink, at DTF film. Ito na po yung printer daily checklist. Ito na po yung stock ko na CMYK, tsaka white ink, cleaning solution, DTF powder, at media.